Hello friends, it is first light here on Maui and it's time for myself and Kimberly Wood and Tritea to cross the infamous Alenuihaha Channel between Maui and the Big Island. We have an excellent weather window and making passage of 36 nautical miles to Nishimura Anchorage, I believe is the name of it, is what we're pointing for. So we're hoping to spend the night. And yeah, time to get this show on the road and get this channel knocked out. That's a rare sight. Haleakala. She's usually shrouded in clouds.
Classic Haleakala.
There's our light by our amazing lagoons. Beautiful sunrise. Goodbye, La Perouse Bay. You are awesome. So we're halfway across the Alenuihaha. We've been motor sailing all day, just trying to charge across. We're in a squall right now. The engine died. We're still sailing at like 5.5, over 5 knots. So there's plenty of wind to sail, but just makes me very nervous about making landfall, obviously. Since we're doing over 5 knots, I'm not worried about it. We're kind of just under halfway to the Big Island, so, and we have plenty of wind. It was forecasted for like 9 knots today. It's blowing 22 right now. Again, we're in a squall, so it's a little different, but the waves are very snotty, short period, and not stoked about the engine situation. But we'll get in closer, and then if we get in so close that the winds fall off, then we'll regroup and figure out the engine scenario. Fuel tank is completely clean. I took it out, cleaned the whole thing, but I don't know. We'll find out. Blowing like 25, 22 to 25 regular. I think we're in the acceleration zone at the Big Island. Got pretty snotty. We shortened sail to probably 90%. Second reef in the main. Probably could have reefed the main down, but we're so close now that it seems pointless. We'll just keep shortening our head sail and keeping on course. We are about 15 miles from where we want to be, but maybe 20 miles from where we probably will end up. I can't remember, the Kauai High or something is the name of the harbor I think we're going to end up at. but we're just trying to claw our way into the protection of the Big Island, just in this like mad acceleration zone, these gnarly waves. So, we are 2.3 miles from Nishimura. I switched out the fuel filter, bled it, old hat. I've done that so many times recently, and got the engine started right after. What happened, Kimberly?
The wind died.
Just like died, right? It was like someone turned off a switch.
Yeah, seriously.
It was like 20 knots to 6 knots, right?
Immediately. Yeah,
So,
to 0 knots. We stopped moving.
So crazy. Yeah, it was nuts. It just literally shut off. So, I'm glad I was able to get the engine started 2 miles from our intended anchorage. And the engine sounds happy now. She kind of had to work her way out of it. But hopefully we can get in here to Nishimura, get anchored, and eat some food. Our escort in.
Pan-tropical spotted dolphin.
What are they?
Pan-tropical spotted dolphin.
I've never seen them until now.
One of the most abundant species in Hawaii.
Whoa. Oh, they peeled off. Love you guys. Little escort.
That was awesome. There are people in the water, but nowhere near us. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. No, this is great. Oh no, this is pretty. I can see the bottom.
We made it. Nishimura Anchorage, the island of Hawaii. We're now eating some much earned ramen.
Cheers.
We're both starving. What an adventure. Glad to have that over with. I don't suggest anyone sail upwind into the Alenuihaha if you have any possible option not to. Wasn't terrible, but very, very wet sail. But we saw winds up to 27 knots.
Yeah.
But never felt like, you know, we never had to do anything dramatic.
No.
We reefed down a little at the end. And then, yeah, came in, we're anchored in, how deep was it when we dropped the hook?
16.
We dropped the hook in 16 feet of water, paid out 5 scope. The water's gorgeous blue. There's a gentle afternoon, like kind of southerly wind coming in. Hook set right away, real hard. Yeah, awesome anchorage. Nishimura.
So beautiful.
There's a really awesome and interesting standing stones heiau up on top of the hill. And an ancient rock wall. I don't know if it's ancient. There's an old rock wall. Really neat swimming lagoon. Families are swimming in, and a bunch of people camping up on shore. So, incredible spot. And happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you.
For everything.
Oh, your other one's
And thank you.
And thank you. And thank you.
Now we're gonna eat ramen. We're gonna get in the bay here at Nishimura and see what there is to see in the snorkel zone. Very beautiful, turquoise water, super shallow, really clear.
Yeah, 2 things I like.
Okay, let's see. you enjoy the content on this channel and would like to contribute, you can consider joining the Patreon crew. Thanks for watching. Fair winds until next time.